Who doesn't love a charming character? Modern chic, the old mixed with the new, perfect blend of harmony. This home has been modernised to perfection. It's beautiful, it's set, it's ready to go. This home is going to impress, so come on and have a look. Wow, impressed? Like what you see? This home's got it all. Wraparound decks, it's fully fenced, and it's waiting for you, a new family, to come on and move in. I'm Blair Alabaster from Property Brokers. Give me a call to arrange your private viewing. Otherwise, I'll see you at the open home.